So I got my pickup truck back from the mechanic, which is great, and now I'm gonna go see a bike. I'm so excited. I'm bringing y'all with me.
Rides like a dream. It's a shifter that I've never worked with before. This is pretty sweet.
Bike is secured. I also got upsold on a painting, which I liked. It caught my eye. I literally just got upsold.
For 45 bucks, you can't really beat that. The person I bought it from was telling me stories about, like, he actually worked in the Pulaski Skyway and he worked on different MTA projects, and I'm like, who is this guy? So it was really nice to meet somebody, talk to them, and I mean, I did get upsold on some things, but for a bike, it's pretty solid.